How to remove the additional information tab on a single product in WooCommerce. Find the WooCommerce product you want to remove the additional information from. And here you can see, when I click on the additional information tab, it shows the weight and the colours. I don't want that to show on this product, so I'm going to go and edit the product. Scroll down until I find the product data. There are two places the additional information gets called from. Firstly is the shipping field. Here you can see the 10 kilogram information, so delete that. Next is attributes, where the colours are, and we'll remove the colours. Now save the attributes, and then scroll up and update the product itself. Once it's saved, click on View the Product and you'll see the Additional Information tab is gone. If you want to remove the Additional Information tab on all the WooCommerce products in your shop, there's a much quicker method, and you can find that by going to the WooCommerce documentation. I'll leave the link in the description below. If this short video has helped you, please support us by hitting the like button. We will be very grateful. Thanks.